Welcome back to Vettepros here in Charlotte, North Carolina. What we have here today is a 1998 C5 Corvette LS1 engine. This engine has 63,493 miles on it. Go ahead and start it up. This engine starts right up. The oil pressure is right at 60 pounds, a little past 60 pounds here. This is the 345 horsepower LS1 engine. As I said, it is a 98 Corvette. Made it up to an automatic transmission. This engine's in great shape with no knocking or ticking, no leaks. Go ahead and rev it up here. This is a great low mileage LS1 engine. This engine will make a great replacement for your Corvette or an excellent starting point for your hot rod or street rod. You can give us a call at 704-320-0073 with any questions, and thanks for looking.